how can we save it? Means you know that water is a gift of nature. We nature give us means you know that which thing we get free, we get easily. We don't understand its value. So just like that, we get water in a easy way. That's why we don't understand its value. You know that water is very important for every living thing. It doesn't matter if he is human or an animal. It doesn't matter. You know that water is very important. But we can't understand that water is a very valuable thing. We waste it, and we don't think about it that if we waste in now in present time, then our future generation is also tolerate the lack of water. And it is happening in nowadays. Means in many places people tolerate by the not tolerate people face the problem of water. Means a lot of problem. Just like in Rajasthan, I watch a reel. In that reel, means in a blaze, not in a blaze, far from 7 kilometers, a well is situated, and in that blaze, no one source of getting water, and there's people come there for filling the water, and if you saw the water of that well, it is so dirty. But the compulsion of that pupils, they drink it because of its compulsion. We don't like to wash our hand by it, but it says compulsion to drink it because there's no source of water, and they fill water from it, and the government is not doing anything in that area. So if and in many places, means just like in Karnataka and in Kerala, the heavy rainfall is falling in every year, and their people also face the problem of heavy rainfalling. And but in our area, I think that we are saved by both things, because of in our area we get easily water in everywhere. If you go in any place, then you get it easy. Means you don't. People think that if I purchase it, then I take mineral water, but they don't think that which water we drink we take by the tap, and means we take by the river. It is good, but nowadays people make dirty our rivers and also canals. They don't understand that in the river many animals live, and if we make it dirty, then they are not lived properly in that place. But we don't understand it. We throw the ashes in the water, and you saw many places. Means if any animal is died beside the road and anywhere it is died, then they throw it in the river, and that's why the water of river is also so dirty. People's thinking is that means they think that Ganga is a very holy river, and it is right that Ganga is a very holy river because she come out from the mountains, and in that water she take a lot of herb medicines. Because of that, its water is holy water. And but in the present time, people do it a lot of dirty. Means if we go there for doing worship, then we throw the flowers and many things, and many other things we throw there. If we eat there anything, then we also throw in that. We don't think that if we throw it in that, then its water is dirty, and as well as we said that it is a holy water, and it is a very good for our health. And if we drink it, then we don't suffer by any diseases. But if you do it dirty, then you also suffer by a lot of diseases. In our in not in our area means in our India means every river is now present and every river is dirty because of the pupils. Because of means the population is also increased. That's why the use of water is also increasing. You know that our surface means our 71% surface is covered by water, but in that surface 97.5% water is salty, which we can't use, and only 2.5% water is safe pure. But in that water 1.5% water is also freezed, and only the 1% water is safe. It is available for drinking and doing other activities. Doing it other activities, it is only save 1% water, but we don't understand its value. If you saw the other condition of other countries, means their people also suffer by the problem of lack of water. Means there are water is available, but not just like in our country. Means in our country a lot of rivers also present, and the environment of our country is so good. That's why we are not facing the problem in. But in many countries, people face a lot of problems by the water. And you saw in also in cities and also in villages. Means the people who live in city, if they go there for taking bath and for doing any other activities, if they take bath, then they use shower, and because of it, a lot of water is also waste. If we take bath in one bucket, then otherwise they use a lot of water, at least 2 or 3 buckets. So it is also waste, and it means if they go there for washing their dishes plates, then they also open the tap and they clean it, but not close the tap. The water is flow without any reason, and it is also waste. And in villages, people also wasted. Means in every house a summer and a motor is also situated, and that's why they don't understand the value of it. If they use, if they means if they need water, then they open it, and if they only need of 1 glass water, then they also open it and fill 1 glass water, and they forget to close the switch of that summer and motor, and the water is also waste a lot. And you saw at morning time a lot of people they throw the water outside from their home and also in their shops. Because of it, they said that if I throw the water at here, then the dust is are not blowing. But I think that if they want to do this, then they collect that water. Means if we drink water, then in our glass, some quantity of water is also left. Then we collect it in a drum, and in anything we collect it, and we use that water while washing clothes and throwing it outside. But people can't do it. People think that if I do it, then people said to me that it is a hot water, and if you throw it, then the goddess Lakshmi is not coming in your shop because of you throw there the hot water. And I think that their mentality is also wrong, because the water is the gift of goddess, also a goddess gift, and they don't say that if you waste it, then I feel well and I also feel happy. They don't say it, but people make it mentality that if we do it, then they become anger and many things. You know that because of the lack of water, means the birds are also died a lot of. You saw in a cities area there's some means there's left of some birds, not a lot of. But in past times a lot of birds fly here and there, and we saw at past time different types of birds. But in present time, there are some quantity of birds is left, and many birds are also die by it. You know that we live without food means at least 6 to 7 days, but we don't live without water more than 3 days. So I think that water is also necessary for everyone. If you want to use it, then you use it properly. If you waste it in present time, then what the new generation get means they also face a lot of problem about it. Now you saw in cities area means there is no tap and no hand pump is available. If you go there, then you also purchase the water bottle, and now in present time we purchase it in 20 rupees, but after some years we purchase it at least 100 rupees. So if you save a single bucket of water, then our future generation get a lot of benefit about it. Means in your life, if you save daily one bucket of water, then a lot of water you save. And if you waste it, then you also waste a lot of water daily. But you saw that if you said to anyone that don't waste the water, and they also give you the explanation means why I am doing this, and near to my house and also in my house at evening time means my father and that person both are open the summers, and they are taking the bath to the animals. I know that animals feel hotness, but you don't means you don't do this. Then you open it and don't close it. At when your need is fulfilled, then you close it. But they both are not doing this. If his need is fulfilled, then they said to other people, you want to fill the water, then you fill it. But in that case, a lot of water is waste. Means they open it and the water is flow in the gutter. And nowadays, you means everyone know that we are throw the garbage in gutter, and you know that the garbage which we throw in gutter, it is a flow down in the canal, and after that the canal's water is also flow down in the river, and because of it our river water and our ocean water is also means our sea water is also dirty. And because of that, the animals who live in the water means the aquatic animals, they also face a lot of problems. Behind my house, a lake is situated. In that lake means my father told me about it. At past time, there's a lot of big fishes which we watch easily. Means if we stand near it, then we watch it easily. But now in present time, the water of that lake, it is so dirty. Means in that water there's a lot of the water collect a lot of diseases. Just like in that water a lot of insect is increased, and also a lot of diseases. And in that water people take their animals, and those animals drink that water because of the people's thinking. Means they think that they are animal and they drink if they drink dirty water, then they are not suffering from any diseases. But they don't think that if they also drink it, then they also face a lot of problems. Then why they think that the animals are not facing it? Means animals are also died by drinking of dirty water. And in the canals means people wash their vehicles, and also take a bath of their animals, and because of that the water is also become a dirty. Means in past time pupils, my father told me about it. Means when they go any other place for selling anything. So because of past time, my father is a hawker, and they go any other place for selling. At that time, they used to drink the water of canals because of that water is fresh water. And now in present time, if anyone said to you that you drink the water of rivers, then you also said no, I don't drink it because it is dirty. If we know it that it is dirty, but we also we also don't stop that work. We know that this water is dirty and this water is not be used by us, but we also throw the garbage in in the rivers and in also canals. So I think that water is also necessary for everyone. If you save water, then you save means if you save a bucket of water, then you save a life. Means it doesn't matter, it is the life of human and also a animal. So that's all.